How to see who blocked you on Instagram. Hi guys, welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how you can do it easily. So the steps are very easy and simple, so you have to follow me along the video. So now let's get started. So here I have a test account where I can show you guys how you can actually see who blocked you on your Instagram. So first of all, let's block one of my profile. So this is, let's say I block this person. So right now I have blocked this person. Now if I switch my accounts and see if this person actually blocks me or not, so let's do that. So now here I am on my second profile on which I have blocked myself. So if I go for this following, as you can see, there is no one in the following, but it is still showing me that I am following one person. So as you can see, I can see that particular person. So now if I go to my chat where I have chat with that test account and click on this profile, as you can see, this is not showing me any post or not even showing me any highlights. So this is the indicator that this person has blocked you on your Instagram. So yeah, that's the only way you can see who blocked you on Instagram.